Hi there, welcome back. So in this lecture we're going to look at how can we use our conditional statement with and or operators. So just going to remove everything that I have on my IDE and I'm going to type if A is less than C and C is greater than A. I'm gonna end my statement with a colon, hit enter. I'm gonna type print, get inside the parentheses, add single quote. I'm gonna type this is true. So let me explain how this AND operator works. So AND operators kind of works the same as it works in English, plain English language. You know, I want this and this, so it kind of works like this. So I want apple and orange, which means that I want both apple and orange. Okay, so I want both of the things. So now if I right click and run it, you'll see that the string value is printed out on our code runner because the condition that we have set is true. Both of our condition is true. A is less than C because A has a smaller value than C and C has a greater value than A. So both of the conditions are true. That's why we have this string value printed out on our code runner. Should I change the condition and make one condition false, right click, run it, we're not gonna have our string value. Why? Because the second condition that we have set is not true because C has a greater value than A. So in order for AND operator to work, both condition must be true. So now if I change the AND operator and replace it with OR, right click, run it, then you'll see that our string value is now available. Why? Because, well, OR kind of works as it works in plain English language. I want apple or orange, so I'm gonna be fine with either one, and Python is no exception. It works the same way in Python as well. So that's how you would use conditional statement with OR and AND operator. So I hope this has been informative and you've learned some valuable lesson. I'll see you in the next lecture. Thanks, bye.